Installing new windows in your Talladega home can improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and boost property value. However, even the best quality windows can underperform if they're not installed correctly. Many homeowners and even inexperienced installers make common mistakes that can lead to costly repairs or poor long-term results. By understanding these pitfalls, you can ensure your installation goes smoothly and your investment lasts for years. Incorrect measurements. One of the most frequent and costly mistakes is failing to take accurate measurements before ordering windows. Even a fraction of an inch can lead to windows that don't fit properly, causing drafts, water leaks, and extra labor during installation. How to avoid it? Measure the height and width in 3 different places: top, middle, bottom for width, left, center, right for height, and use the smallest measurement. Account for squareness of the opening and framing irregularities. Double-check your numbers before placing your order. Ignoring local climate considerations. Talladega's climate, with its hot summers and mild winters, demands specific window materials and features for optimal performance. Using windows that aren't suited to the local weather can reduce energy efficiency and increase wear over time. How to avoid it? Choose windows with low E glass to reduce heat gain in summer. Opt for durable frames like vinyl or fiberglass that can handle humidity and temperature changes. Consult with local professionals who understand Talladega's unique conditions. Poor sealing and insulation. Even perfectly sized windows can perform poorly if the sealing and insulation are subpar. Gaps allow air infiltration, leading to higher utility bills and reduced comfort. How to avoid it? Use high-quality caulk and weather stripping around the frame. Fill gaps with low-expansion spray foam designed for windows and doors. Inspect seals after installation to ensure there are no missed spots. Skipping proper flashing installation. Flashing is essential for preventing water from seeping into your walls. Without it, rainwater can cause rot, mold, and structural damage. How to avoid it? Install flashing tape or metal flashing at the sill and around the frame. Make sure it overlaps correctly to direct water away from the building. Follow manufacturer guidelines and local building codes. Not leveling and plumb. Setting the window. If a window isn't perfectly level and square, it can cause problems like difficulty opening and closing, uneven wear, and poor sealing. How to avoid it? Use a spirit level to check the window at every stage of installation. Shim the window as needed, but don't over-shim, as that can warp the frame. Secure the window without over-tightening screws, which can distort the frame. Using the wrong tools or materials. Cutting corners with tools or materials might save time up front but often leads to problems later. How to avoid it? Use manufacturer-recommended hardware and sealants. Avoid general-purpose foam or caulk that may expand too much or break down quickly. Invest in the proper tools for cutting, fastening, and sealing. Neglecting safety precautions. Window installation can involve heavy lifting, working at heights, and handling glass, all of which carry risks. How to avoid it? Wear gloves, safety glasses, and sturdy footwear. Use ladders and scaffolding correctly, ensuring they're stable. Get help lifting and positioning large windows. Final thoughts in Talladega. The right window installation can dramatically improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. Avoiding these common mistakes will help you achieve a flawless fit, weather-tight seal, and long-lasting performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or hiring a professional, paying attention to details like measurements, sealing, climate considerations, and safety will ensure your new windows serve you well for many years. If you're unsure about any part of the process, working with a reputable local installer can save time, prevent problems, and give you peace of mind knowing the job is done right.